Hi, hope you guys are doing well. Let's look at our today's POTD. It's 3120. Count the number of special characters 1. Right? Let's read it, and it's easy problem today. You are given a string word. We are given with the string. Right? A letter is called special if it appears both in lowercase and uppercase in words. Right? So what lowercase is? Lowercase are those characters that starts from A to Z. What about uppercase? Uppercase is what? Uppercase is A to Z, right? So the difference between them is what? It's 60. No, A is 65, and this is what? This is, I mean, the difference between them is 32, right? So it's 97. So it begins with 65 and it begins with 97. So the difference between, like, the ASCII value of A is 65, the ASCII value of A is 97. So the difference between them is what? It's 32. Return the number of special letter in word. So what we are supposed to do here, we are supposed to count the number of special characters. What does special character means? If a character from like A to Z, if they appears both in lowercase as well as in uppercase, that is my special character. So A appear in lowercase and uppercase, so +1. B appear in lowercase as well in uppercase, +1. C also appears both in lowercase and uppercase. So my answer will be what? 3. Right? Let's take another case. ABC. For ABC it will be 0. Right? And for this A, B, B, C, A, B. Do A appear in uppercase? No. Do B appear in uppercase? Yes. Do C appear in uppercase? No. So its output will be 1. The only special character in word is B. My word length is going to be 50, like from 1 to 50. Word consists of only lowercase and uppercase letter. I think the problem is clear. So let's begin with the algorithm what we are going to use here. So I'm going to create a set. So set it is a data structure that contains unique value. If no matter how many times I enter a word, like I insert a word, character, or whatever into it, it will remain unique. Let's say A, if I enter A 7 times, A will remain unique. Same goes for any of the character. So first I'll enter all of them: A, B, C, and B, C. So the order is not like maintained. The insertion order is not reserved when we enter some character in the set. So once my set is created, what I'll do, I'll just iterate from A to what? From character A to Z, right? And if in somehow if my set contains what? Set contains both the current character ch and what? Always remember, lower case has greater value. It's 65. It's 65, right? And lowercase will have greater value. That thing we have missed, and I have done this intentionally to let you know, right? So it will be what? 65 and it will be 97. So if my set contains the current character as well as it contains what? It contains the character char ch minus 32. Then only consider it as a special character. And finally return what? Return your count. So once again I'll repeat. First of all, I'll create a set. I'll insert all the character into this set. Once my set is created, I'll iterate from A to Z because A is greater, or you can iterate over this also. In that case, you have to do ch plus 32. Now iterate from A to Z because at most my answer can be what? 32. because that's what my special character is. I'm from A to Z. I want to find all the characters which exist in lowercase as well as in uppercase. So at most I can have my answer as 32. So from A to Z, I'll iterate. I'll see if A is in lowercase, A is already in lowercase. If set contains CH as well as set contains what? CH minus 32. Remove 32 and if which character will become? The outcoming character will be what? If I reduce minus 32 from this and again change it to char, it will become uppercase. For each of the for each of the character, each of the alphabet, there is 32 difference. 32 difference between the lowercase and uppercase. Once I have checked both the condition, I'll increment my count and finally return what? Return my count. So my time complexity will be what? Big of string length, length of string, plus what? 32. 32 is constant, so it will be approximately equal to what? Big of ln, right? This is time complexity. What about space complexity? Space complexity is we are creating a set of how many characters? 2 into 32. This is my worst case because I'm entering lowercase as well as uppercase. So it will be approximately equal to what? Big of 1. Let's write the code for this. Create a set for character, set equal to new HashSet. Now iterate over the given string char ch equal to word dot to char array. Now this is my for each loop, and this function convert a string to an array, so I can directly iterate over each of the character using the for each loop. Now do what? Set add each of them. Once my set is created, we are supposed to initialize our answer as 0 or count whatever you want, and then start for int I. Now I have to iterate over the my series from A to what? Where? From A to Z. CH plus plus. Now, if my set contains the existing character and what else I need to check? I need to check contains what? CH minus 32. Just reduce 32 from A and again change it to what? Character. Then only I need to consider that as a special character. Increment your answer and finally return answer. Let's submit the solution. Oh, it's not it is contains. Now let's submit this. Yeah, it got submitted. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. And if you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask, comment. I'll try to resolve them. I'll help you. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye.